Don't worry, the ingredients and directions are also listed in the description below. You will start with mixing the brown sugar, mascarpone, and butter in a large bowl until it is light and fluffy. That takes about 3 or 4 minutes. We are using a hand mixer, but you can also use a stand mixer or just good old elbow grease. This is what it will look like when it's been thoroughly mixed. Now add 1 egg and beat it in thoroughly, and then add the second egg and be sure to mix it well. For the moment, put this mixture aside and use another clean bowl to mix the dry ingredients. Slowly mix the dry ingredients into the bowl with the wet ingredients. Add your smashed bananas. From this point on, we're going to mix with our spatula instead of using the hand mixer. We don't want to overmix. Now add the chocolate chips and walnuts and mix well. Now pour the mixture into a greased loaf pan. We are using 2 mini non-stick cake pans, but most folks use a greased loaf pan. You can do whatever you want. This mixture looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste it. My mouth is watering at the thought. Now pop it in the oven that you've already preheated at 350 and bake it for 60 to 65 minutes. Be sure to test it with a toothpick to make sure the toothpick comes out clean, and that will indicate that your banana bread is done and ready to take out of the oven and cool. Look at this beautiful banana bread loaf. It looks like somebody already snuck a piece. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. Yum! Look at those chunks of bananas, chocolate chips, and walnuts dispersed throughout this warm bread. Delicious! If you made this recipe along with me, I hope you enjoy every bite of this delicious banana nut loaf. This is what it will look like when it's been thoroughly mixed. Now add 1 egg and beat it in thoroughly, and then add the second egg and be sure to mix it well.